demo of how my strategic buyer negotiator workflow works on a platform called Cassidy. Now, this is a negotiation between a pharma company that is not a real pharma company and McKinsey on the renegotiation of their consultancy contract. As you can see, I just provide a very simple user prompt. Please analyze the attached information and provide a summary for the negotiation from the buyer's perspective and the LinkedIn profile of the other party. So I provide all the context of the negotiation here, PharmaCrest McKinsey contract negotiation case study, and this is where you can upload all the information on the real negotiation you're facing. And also, I'm also providing a LinkedIn profile of the person that PharmaCrest is going to encounter, that is David Morrison, the head of the US McKinsey branch. And what we have here are the results based on 4 different agents. I have a workflow built on Eli, that is a strategic buyer. It has all the system instructions to become a very efficient and customized strategic buyer for consultancy contract in this case. So Eli strategic buyer has all the knowledge on how a B2B strategic buyer should behave and know, and is also customized for PharmaCrest and its requests. And the category it's buying in this example is consultancy, so it's a service. After Eli, we have Deepak, the negotiator. The negotiator, Deepak, has system instructions that provide all the knowledge about how to be a very effective B2B negotiator. And also these instructions can be customized to the company. Then we have Daniel, the behavioral assistant, is the one that assesses the LinkedIn profile of another person and provides a full report. Just to give you an example, this is where he provides a LinkedIn profile summary, has a very high confidence score because David Morrison has a lot of information on the LinkedIn profile. Outside his professional responsibility, he maintains active involvement in educational institutions, enjoys golf, skiing, and following the Yankees. Primary energy is fiery red. It's based on insights. Secondary influence is sunshine yellow. So it's a yellow is relational. It's very ambitious and also very relational oriented. It's also quite analytical. And then based on Thomas Kilmann conflict modes, the likely dominant mode is collaborating. So how to approach him in a negotiation, and which are also the relationship between the insights colors and how we can provide interaction tips to provide to be effective with other party. Multiple option, creative solutions, invite collaboration, long-term relationship, and all of this. It also provides a transparency section where it says how it came with this output. And then the important thing is Linus. Linus is the final negotiation report that prepares us for the negotiation. So we have procurement analysis and context, the insights on procurement, market analysis, supplier assessment, counterpart profile and capabilities also, yes, competitive positioning, sustainability, innovative factors, risk assessment, mitigation, strategic opportunities, mitigation optimization strategies, and recommendation for how to approach the negotiation with McKinsey. And there are also some assumptions for sure. And then we have our negotiation analysis, our interests, their interests, alternatives, different scenarios. We don't know exactly their position. So the agents develop different scenarios for the other party, creative options to enlarge the cake, issues and options on the table, internal stakeholders, objective arguments, questions to be asked, a table with aspiration, opportunities to make trades, negotiation strategy, and also which could be the key objections and how we can prepare responses. And also at the end, it provides a transparency section. So we make these workflows a glass box and not a black box. It is one of the main issues with AI today. So these are the 4 agents, and this is how they are built. So we have a manual trigger, that is the user prompt, the information we provide on the context of the negotiation and the LinkedIn profile. Then we have Eli, the strategic buyer, and here we have all the instructions I provided, that are a lot. And the same goes for Deepak, the negotiator, and Daniel. So everything is based on very, very specific instructions that we develop and customize according to the client. And also, if we're talking about procurement, to the specific category the buyer is acquiring. So we exchange information with the client, and I fully customize the system instructions. What we're using is Cassidy, that is a platform, and where we develop and deploy all our agents. Thank you.